So I want to do a little video on how to set a half mortise lock into this scrap of wood. This will be applicable to a spice box or a glass door or anything like that. Now I need a little data up front. I need to measure from the center of hole to the bottom of the key slot, and that's about 3/8 of an inch. Because the strategy here is to drill a hole from the outside that the key will fit through and then come at it from the back. So I'm going to set my square to the center of the hole. And that looks pretty good. So say I wanted to put my hole here. So I'm going to draw a line. That's where I'm going to drill my first hole. And I'm going to come down 3/8 of an inch because that's the length of the key. If I have this drilled, I should be okay in terms of getting it fixed. Now this is going to require a 1/4 inch hole, and this I'll just nibble down with some other bits on the drill press. That looks, let me make sure, I want that to be right about there. Alright, here. I'm just coming across this way. That looks good. So now I have a pretty good idea of what I'm going with. So I'm clamping this piece behind for the sole purpose of having a little more support for my router. Alright, so I'm going to loosen this guy up, flip him over this way now. I'm going to take out that back corner. Alright. Okay, so that fits nicely now. That goes right in there. So I'm going to put a line here and a line here. So a little cleanup if necessary. Let me get a little. That looks good on the side as well. I'm going to pardon the noise for a minute. And to put this in, after I had a little bit of shellac on there, I'd epoxy it in.